My name is Kristen Zoyce, and this is the science behind the bottle flipping. Yes, I know what you're going to say. There is more behind having the bottle land up in the upright position than just flipping it and landing perfectly. There is a little bit of science. So to start off, you'll need a plastic water bottle that is about 1/3 filled with water. Then, the person who's holding the bottle needs to hold it at the top, where the center of gravity is, and then the water must be on the bottom of the bottle. Then, once you toss the bottle, it rotates, but since the water is free to flow, the fluid does not all rotate with the bottle. Instead, it sloshes around. As the light bottle spins, the angular momentum is transferred to the heavier water. The water spins and is slowed down. The now nearly unspinning bottle falls with gravity and lands straight upright on the table. And that is the science behind the bottle flipping. Now, I will show you what that looks like in slow motion.